Hello guys, welcome back to Architecture World. Sorry for the long break, I've been really busy on site and that is why. So today we're going to continue our tutorial from where it stopped previously. In case you're just joining this channel, this is Architecture World. Is a channel whereby we teach mostly 80% of what you as a subscriber want us to teach. We already have a request for someone saying we should bring a video on how to work on cantilever slab, which is coming up soon. So quickly, if you're just joining us, check our channels. You're going to see the lesson, because this is the part 3 of this tutorial, and this is what we're designing, a 2-bedroom bungalow. So today we're going to be working on all the windows and doors. Basically, that's what we're going to be working on today. So let's dive back into our class. First of all, come back to our ground floor. Go to our ground floor. Okay, now these are ground floor and we want to work on the doors. Let's work on the doors. First, for us not to confuse ourselves, I think we need labeling on this. Let's label this diagram. Go to your document to pick your test tools. Let's label this diagram. This is the main lodge. This is the main lodge. Okay, I think this is better for us. Okay, this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Okay, this bedroom 2. Master bedroom 1 and this bedroom 2. Okay, then let's come here to kitchen. There's a kitchen. Let's rotate this. Okay, yep, this is the kitchen. Then this is the dining. This is the dining section. Let's put here dining. There's a dining. Okay, let's get your balcony. There's a balcony. I always like using abbreviation on this. There's a balcony. Okay, now there's the toilet. Let's pick this to this. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. Okay, this is the toilet again. Let's copy this to this toilet. Okay, this is the toilet. Let's create this to be the entrance. Okay, this is WC, also known as the guest toilet. WC. Okay, now we have the lobby. Let's go. This is the lobby. Okay guys, so you see we just created our label so we can be able to understand what we are working on. That's the reason I did that, so you can be able to understand what exactly we're doing. So first of all, let's go on back to our design. We pick our door tools, allow it. You come down to this door settings. I really don't want to edit the internal doors because there is nothing I'm doing with it, so I'm just going to make the internal doors. Everything here is okay. 900 is because nobody's going to see them, but the dimension is 900 internal doors, and that is okay for me. So here do I need a door? When you're placing your door, always be very calculative with your traffic. Now I need a door here opening this way because there's a traffic on this lobby. Don't just place a door coming this way and you are congesting this. Now another thing for you to understand between the kitchen and the dining, if I should place this dining door on this spot, it means I render this place useful or useless because I have a door here coming this way too, and this kitchen is going to fly from this spot down to this spot. Now where do you think is best? if you should place this dining door on the spot, whosoever is in this dining, let's assume we are having a lunch, let's say this house belongs to me and you, and we want to eat here, and somebody needs to access the kitchen, the person has to pass through behind our bars to get to this place. So this door on this spot is wrong because it's too far. So you have to bring this door here. Here it can easily be accessed without causing stress to the dining. Now we have the kitchen balcony door coming this way. Then we have this room door going this way. Okay, then I have this room door coming this way. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for door. I'll change this to 750 millimeter because that's for the toilet. 750 millimeter for the toilet doors. So come down here, I place one here. I'm going to move it back. I'll come here, I place one here, I'll come to this spot, I place. You can either bring this outside, yeah, it can be, it's best because you have a lobby. You can bring this outside since we have a lobby, so we're going to put this outside. Okay, I'm going to show you that on 3D shortly. Okay, so let's move all these doors backward. When you're placing a door, always consider the resting spot for that door. It's very important. The resting spot for the door. Okay, this is okay, these are okay, this is too much. Let's bring this a little bit in. Okay, now we have this is the front door. This is where you have to edit because it's going to show. Let me show you what I mean. You see, the front door is on display. Let me create a zoom. Is on display. This is the front door. You can see it very well. The person that designed this job forgot to change the setting, and that is why you can see that what is on the window is reflecting here. When you don't give attention to this little detailing, the moment you export this whatever software you're using to create this design, the moment you export it to a rendering software, if the model are similar, you are editing all models at the same time. So always be careful when you're creating your design, your modeling, whatever you don't want to be a match, always try to put it in place before you export to a rendering software. So now I'm working on the entrance door now that's going to be on display. So I'll come back to my door, I'll go to my door setting, I'll choose a door of 1.2 meter. I think I'm okay with this door. This is 1.2 meter and it's opening. We have the shutter span there. It's opening this way. Okay, now I'll edit this to 1.2 meter. Okay, then the height is 2.1, which is normal for all doors except you want to do otherwise. Now I'll come to door settings. Sorry, let me go back. I'll come to door setting. Now this is the door leaf. The door leaf is the smaller size of the door. I'll come here. I want this side to be style. This is the longer side. Sorry, I'll put the handle. I'll choose the handle that I preferred here. Okay, you don't need to change anything on the spots. So I'll come here. I'll come to the spots. Here you can easily dictate what you want to do. If you want to change the settings in Archicad 218 is not like this. You just have to nest, but this is different because this is Archicad 2022. Yeah, this is Archicad 22. Okay, so now it's either you pick your nest from this spot or you come this spot and pick what you want. So I'll just be going because I have nothing to edit here. So sorry, I have to come back here. I don't want. Okay, frame width is uniform. Yep, this is okay for me. I'll go down here. I'll keep going. Now this is the style. This is style for the door leaf that I choose. Then okay, let me change it to this. I need something splashy, so I'll go. This is the handle. I'll keep going. This is the grid sash type. I'll make a solid panel on this. I like using solid. It's choice depending on what you want to do. I'll keep going. I'm looking for a particular stuff, which is this space. You see this space? This space is very, very important. You see This I'm coming, let me look for it. Okay, this are same modeling with your windows. These are same modeling with your windows. I'm going to show you how to bypass all the spots. Let's keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, there's something I'm looking for. Okay, still not there. Okay, let's go back, guys. There is something I'm trying to bring out. Okay, I think I just saw it. Okay, height 1 meter. Okay, solid. Okay, now let's go to this dimension. Let's close this first. There's a classification of properties, dimension, marker, floor. You see, in Archicad 18 there are a lot of easy settings that you have to understand. In Archicad 18 a lot of settings are very easy. Now all we just need to do is pick our window tools, we change this to 400. Okay, then we change this to 730. I think we use 730. I'm going to check that, guys. Hold on. Change this to 730. Let me confirm that. Okay, yeah, 730. So let's place our window. This main lodge is going with 2 windows. You could either use double, yeah, but that is 2 windows. I'm coming. This has to be 900. This has to be 900. That was the wrong design. Either you use 900 or you use 2 single windows. So I prefer we use 900 on this. Then we take this down to be 900. Likewise, let's bring this down. Or I think the 400 would be perfect. Let's see what we got in the 400. Yeah, I think the 400 is going to be better than the 900. No one does big window these days, just something simple. Yeah, you can see the 400 is pretty okay than the 900. Then let's check our picture too. You see, we have, even from our diagram, this 2 is 300. So I think this is okay. Or we just need to, let me look for it. Hold on, let me look for it. Quick access. I'm coming, guys. Let me look for a picture of that side window. Class, I think I'm looking for something. Class. Oh, I can't find it. So let's do it 400. Let's do it 400. First, if we want to do it 400, let's try double and see if it's going to look cool. Let's try double, like having this here and having this here. Let's see that. I'm ready. I think it seems cool, but I really don't like it. It seems cool, but I really don't like it. So we're just gonna do the single 400, but let's do 600. Yeah, let's do 600. Better this way. Let's do 600. Better this way. Let's do 600. We're just going to do just the front 400. Okay, let's see that on 3D, guys. Yeah, I think this is cool. What do you think? This is cool, guys. Can see 600. This is cool. Yep. So let's continue. So we have agreed of using 600. So I'm gonna put this back to 600. Then I'll put 1 here. I'll put this here. I'll put this here. Okay. Put this here. Then here has to be 300. This has to be 300 because we're having a double window here. We're having a double window here, so it has to be 300. Let's check that on 3D. Hold on guys, let's rotate that. Okay, you can see that 300. So let's quit. Let's move this out of this spot. Let's see that in 3D. Okay, now we're having a height challenge. Let's check something while we're having the height challenge. Let's check something. I'm coming guys, trying to fish out something. Okay, this was supposed to be 0, I think so. Hold on guys, I'm trying to get something. Let me check what is disturbing us here. We're having some disturb. Okay, let me see that. Okay, the door was flying at upper range, so this has to be. Let's go back. Let's change. I'll pick all your doors guys, pick all your doors. Don't forget to save your project. Always remember to save your project. Pick all your doors. In Archicad 18, all the modeling are going to be stated here. So more reason why I told you I don't rush my tutorial. I have to break it down so that whichever software you're using, you can be able to grab the knowledge properly. So we'll come back to this. This is where we have to work on our modeling. You come this way. Let's look for the modeling. Okay, let's look for the modeling. Perfect. Casting outside. You see, this is the modeling. Casting inside, these are the modeling. So now let's go for this, something we can easily edit. Let's go for earth brand. Earth brand is always good for that. We now have earth brand on this, so let's keep going. I think earth brand is okay. Let's check something out. Okay, solid panel outside. This is going to turn black. I'm okay with this. Frame outside, I'm still okay with this because I'm going to use white shade on that. So I'm just going to click my OK, and I'll place my door this way. Okay, let's see that on 3D. Perfect. Coming guys. Okay, now you can see this is my openings and this is my leave. If you check very well, you see that this door is not similar to the doors we have installed. That is because this can't be the leave. Let's check something. Okay, let's do this. Let's change. Let's go back to the previous setting guys. Let's change this to 1.2 meter. Okay, I want to change that door because it's not similar. Let's go for style. Then let's try the handle. You can choose whatever handle you prefer. So let's come back here. Okay, let's go. We have our styles there. We have our handles. Okay, we have our solid panel. Is the modeling we are looking for right now. Let's go to the modeling and see if it was edited. I told you it was edited. So we're going to pick our head brand again and boom, perfect. Now you see a 4-foot door being a 1.2 meter door is always key to the single block. The previous door I changed, this single was at the back of this, which was wrong. So that's what I was trying to explain to you guys. So you see, we have all our doors opening. The reason why I don't use Archicad 2022 in my design is this. The moment you're editing the diagram and you're moving it, it comes out on 2D. Now guys, you can see, but if it is Archicad 18, you're going to see all in 3D. Now it's on 2D. You can see these are the doors, you can see the inside doors. But if I unclick this orbit, it comes normal. But once I click this orbit and I move, it becomes 2D automatically, so you can be seeing all walls in alignment. So you see, this is the 2D of the structure. This is what we are designing, guys. You can see very well. So our next is our window. Let's go to our windows. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's go to our diagram. We have two windows here that is flying from up to down, and all the windows are of higher height. This height isn't really common in Africa. This height is basically more in off the country where they have a lot of security. So we're not going to use the height of this window. We'll use our normal height of 1.5 meter in Nigeria. Some windows are 1.3 meter, some are 1.2. So we're going to use either 1.5 or 1.450. So let's go. We'll come back to our ground floor. We'll pick our window settings here. Here you really don't need to go for color blending and the rest. We're going to change everything to glass. All you just need to do is make sure you're picking a single panel here. Then let's change this to 600, smaller window. Then the height is okay. I'm going to offset that on the other side. First, let me place the first window here. Okay, let me place the first window here. Then you go to 3D and check the height of setting. You see, it's offset. You come here. There's the width, there's the height. Then this is the chi to ceiling. Let's do this 830. Chi to ceiling 830. Okay, 830 is too much. Let's do 530. Chi to ceiling 530. Let's do 120. Okay, it's much. Let's do 930. Chi to ceiling. Okay, let's do 1530. Chi to ceiling. Okay, that's the bottom setting. Let's do 530. Much. Let's do 630. Okay, let's do 800. Okay, let's do 730. Okay, I think it falls in place. You can see it falls in place. So we're going to take chi to ceiling to be 730 and a height of 1.5 meter. So we'll come back to our ground floor. We'll copy this. We just have to create a copy of this and paste it there. So we have two. Let's see. Okay, I think the window is too big. Let's see if we can make a possible reduction of 400. Okay, yeah, perfect. I'm okay with 400. I'm okay with 400, guys. So we have 400 for our windows. Don't forget to save your project. Always remember to do that. Okay, pick all your doors. We want to take down the height from the ties. Pick all doors. Okay, and change this to 0. Okay, that being done, pick all your selected windows. Pick all your selected windows, guys. Let's go. I want to change some things. The 100 we just remove. We have to remove it here too, so it will come down. Okay, now we have this ought to be 800. Let's check that on 3D. I was supposed to pick these windows on 3D. Okay, sorry guys. Let me group this so I can be able to work on 3D. Let me group it. Okay, 3D picked. Oops, I didn't group. It didn't group, guys. Let's regroup. Let's go group. Why is it not grouping? What's the shot? It's not grouping, that's why you could hear that sound. Group. Okay, since it's refused to group, maybe it's because they are of different elements, different heights, width, and dimension. So let's change this to 630. Let's see that on 3D. Okay, 630. Fair. Okay, perfect. 630 is perfect. You see, 630 is perfect for us. Let's check something. Okay. What are we missing? This stuff has to go up a bit to this. What is the height of this? This is 2250 and this is 2250. Okay, save your project, guys. So that being done, what's next? Let me check. What is holding us? Okay, this. Let's check toilet windows. Now let's go for our toilet windows. I like using 500. I like using 500 with a height of 225 times 3, and I like using 650. Yeah, I like using 650. Let's change this to 100. Hold on, guys, let's see what we got there. Let's place one to get it right. 3D to edit. Okay, it has to come down. To 8. Let's check something. Okay, it has to come down to 300. Let's edit from here. It has to go up to 830. Okay, let's do 830. That's too much. Let's do 6. Okay, let's work in maths. The main window has a height of 150 millimeter, and this particular window has a height of 650. Now we're having 850, 150, and 650. Let's assume we want to minus the height of the shorter window from the longer window. What's going to be left? Let's find x. Longer window is 1500 millimeter, and shorter window is 650 millimeter. So automatically we're going to have a total of let's say 1 meter, 850. Let's try 850 here. Hold on, guys. 850. Let's try 950. Okay, sorry, we're going to be having 850. Then let's add the 750. That is the main height. So let's say 850, 750. Let's go for 1500 first. Similar. I told you, all you just need to do to get it right is to remove the height of the minus the shorter window from the longer window, then add up the total height. That's saying 1500 minus 650. That's 0. Okay, 5 cannot take 1 here. It takes 6 from that. That is 950 plus 730. That's 0, 8, 16. Okay, 0, 8, 16, 300, 6, 2. Let's check something. Okay, hold on, let's rotate. Okay, height of phone 5 is variable. Okay, 5, let's check that. Okay, perfect guys. So we come to the ground floor, we pick our window tools, we change this to 1.5. Okay, now let's place all our toilet windows since we already have it. There is it, we have one there, we have one here. So guys, thanks a lot for joining us on this short class. Like I said, I'm really busy, I can't really do much right now, but I'm going to see you on the next class. Our next class is going to be, let's say, by God grace, completion of this design. We already have what we are looking for and we are so close to it. So our next class is going to be completion of this design.